Amid reports that detained Senators Jinggoy Estrada and Bong Revilla Jr. have been complaining about the conditions inside their cells, the two lawmakers want the public to know that these were not true. According to Chief Superintendent Ruben Theodore Sindak, PNP Public Information Office Chief, the senators told him to relay to the public that they never had complaints over their food ration in jail and their unwanted guests there.
Yun nga, may mga halaman na si Senator Bong Revilla na dinidilig niyang paminsan madalas tuwing umaga, tapon. Sa ngayon, yun nga, nasa loob ng kwarto si Senator Jinggoy Estrada po, no? So hindi ko na inabala. Nandun siya sa loob ng selda niya. At si Senator Bong Revilla naman, naabutan kong kausap yung kanyang yung abogado niya at kanyang doktor.
So yung
nauna kong nabanggit.
Complaints or mga requests?
Wala po, ever since wala naman daw silang complaints yung pinabot ng Senator Bong Revilla. Hindi naman daw siya nagreklamo, nagbiro lang daw yung abogado niya.
As the jailed pork barrels camp suspects face the court for their arraignment, Sindak said the PNP has already prepared a security template for the movement on Thursday.
Nakahanda na po ang lahat, pinaprepare ng lahat ng security. Pinagbibigay alam na yun nga, at around nung hapon, doon naman sa Port Santo Domingo, wag kayo malito. At around June 20, 5:30 PM, natanggap na ng Port Santo Domingo yung warrant of arrest for plunder. Dated June 19 ni Janet Lim Napoles, at na-serve na doon. And of course, kasama po siya hopefully sa arraignment naman doon bukas.
Meanwhile, Sindak said that the police are ready in the event that the Sandigan Bayan orders the arrest of Senator Juan Ponce Enrile.
Ideally, ganun pa rin, pupunta pa rin siya dito kung hanggat kaya ng kanyang pangangatawan. At siyempre, kailangan handa rin kami. Sabi ko nga, may backup lang kami, hanggat backup plan just in case magkaroon ng medical condition. Nandun ang aming PNP General Hospital, may isinaalang-alang na isang kwarto para doon siya i-confine kung ipag-utos ng korte at pamarapatin na magkaroon siya ng medical condition or emergency na kakailanganin ang hospital confinement, or kung ipag-utos naman ng korte na sa hospital namin ilagay.
Reacting to the suggestion of President Benigno Aquino III to go easy in arresting the 90-year-old senator, Sindak said they would merely comply with the orders of the court as to where Enrile would be detained.
Ang reaksyon ng PNP po ay susunod sa anumang kautusan lang ng korte. Wala po kaming gagawang rekomendasyon tungkol dyan. Basta susunod lang po kami, at kung ano pong ipag-uutos ng korte ay nakahanda naman po kami dahil meron na kaming mga pinag-aralang mabuti, masusing pinag-aralang mga plano, kaya handa na po kami sa kahit anong eventuality at scenario.
From Camp Crame, this is Julia Love de Sus reporting for Inquirer.net.